David Nicholas from Sylmasta. Today we're going to show you how to mix and apply industrial metal paste together with its mechanical and machining characteristics. Surface preparation is very important. First degrease the surface, then abrade to form a rough, cleanly abraded surface. Industrial Metal Standard uses a 2:1 ratio by volume and is easy to apply and mix. Initial cure will be produced in 2 hours with full cure within 24 hours. When fully cured, industrial metal can be drilled and tapped. Industrial metal has excellent mechanical characteristics including impact and shock resistance.